Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the GOTRAX Rival electric scooter. We're going to go through the whole unboxing and then we're also going to do an assembly. It's pretty easy to set up since 95% of the scooter is already built for you. You know, there's only one or two things that you have to do to get riding and getting out on the street. So we're going to get into the unboxing. Once you get the Rival unboxed, you're obviously going to come with the scooter right here. You're going to come with the steering wheel right here. This bag is very important. It holds the two screws that are going to attach the steering wheel to the top, or the handlebar to the top, not the steering wheel. It also has a tire pump extender, so if you do get a flat or you do need to refill your Airfield tires, you can reach the spout. Also coming with the charger, very important, and you're going to get the guide right here, so we can show you everything you need to know about the Rival scooter. So some of the key specs and features that the Rival is going to have is, first off, we're going to talk about the 8.5 Airfield tires. These are going to be great for basically any road, asphalt, or cement right there. Moving into the Airfield tires is a really great option just because it's going to take away a little bit of the bumpiness of any road that you're going to be on. The Rival goes 15.5 miles per hour, which is a great speed for a quick commute. Has a 250 watt motor, which is going to be in the front wheel right here. It's got a rear disc brake in the back, so we'll connect the brake and show you how to do that. And it also comes with a LED headlight, which will be notified on the display, but we will get to that once we start setting it up. Moving into setup, popping this off. Once you have the handlebars attached to the tiller, all you're going to do is the two screws that you unscrewed out, you're going to put it back into place, and then we're going to set up the brake, and then that is the only setup you have to do for the Rival scooter. And then once you tighten these, not too tight, but the right amount of tightness. All right, so now moving on to the brake. This part's a little confusing, but it's not too hard once you do it once, you can figure it out. So you have your brake right here on top of your handlebar. This right here is your brake line, and this is a protective tube that's going to be near the top of it. What you're going to do is you're going to pull down on the actual brake, and there's going to be a little bit of a gap where this cylinder piece is going to fit perfectly. You put that through right there, you make sure it's locked in. Once you have the cylinder piece into the actual brake, you're going to move the protective case up to the top, make sure it's tightly in there. You're going to pull down on the brake, make sure it's activating. You're going to take the other tube and you're going to pull, make sure that there is tension in the brake line, and line that up with the slot right over here that you screwed in. Then make sure to test it. And if there is a little bit of tension, that means the brake is there. The on button's right here. And there you go, that's setting up the scooter. So like I said, and how quickly this video went, it's a really easy setup for the Rival, only like 2 or 3 steps that you have to do. The only challenging part is going to be the brake for some people, but once you get it in and you make sure that there is tension for the brake, you're good to go.